Alright. Dito tayo ngayon sa birthday celebration ni Ezra. And today, of course, it's Shasha and Ezra. Hi, Ezra! Happy birthday! Say hi! Of course, with Mami Shasha. Yan. So today, dahil birthday ngayon ni Ezra, papakita naman sa atin, Sha, ano yung mga pabangong gamit mo? And ano ba yung dala mong pabango ngayon?
Ang gamit ko for today's perfume for Ezra's birthday is, of course, it's from Perfume Love Manila. And what I'm using today is Miss Dior.
Wow!
And Glossier.
Oh!
So, this is a perfect perfume, lalo na sa may mga important event like today, sa mga birthday niyan, kagaya kay Ezra's birthday. So, yeah, this is very friendly and handy.
Yan!
So, yeah, it's a good for layering as well. So, yeah, it's a good perfume.
And Miss Dior. Sikat ang Miss Dior, you know?
Yes. More on floral, sweet, ganyan, and light lang siya na load. So,
Yung Glossier ba?
Perfume. Same with Glossier, it's more on iris and more on floral and sweet. Yeah. So, magaling siyang layering actually.
Yan. So, yun yung kagandahan ng Decad kasi you have something that is already known, like a very branded perfume like Miss Dior. And of course, yung Glossier, although hindi pa natin masyado, ako hindi ko masyado alam yung Glossier. With you ba yun? Glossier U.
Yes.
Yan. So, with Decad, magkaroon ka ng opportunity na matry muna sila bago ka bumili ng mga mas malalaking perfume.
Yes.
Yan. So, again, of course, this is Pao Bango. This is siya. And, ngayon niya, maging baby bango. This is Ezra. It's her first birthday. So, this is a very special vlog. Hi, Ezra. Hello. So, thank you very much. Check us out.